Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Illustrator file and saving a copy so you can revert if needed. Once done, embed any linked images and outline fonts to avoid missing assets when exporting. Next, make sure the artboard matches your intended output size and set raster effects to 300 dpi for print or 72-150 for screens. Choose RGB for web or CMYK for press. Now you're ready to move to export. Don't skip embedding or resolution steps because they determine final quality. You now go to File, Export, Export As, and choose JPG. Select the artboards you need and hit Export. In the JPG Options dialog, pick Quality and specify Resolution. Enter 300 ppi for high-quality print or 150 ppi for larger web images, and ensure color conversion matches RGB or CMYK. Make sure anti-aliasing is enabled to smooth edges. If you need transparency, note JPG doesn't support it. Either flatten to a white background or export PNG instead. You finish by opening the exported JPG at 100% to inspect sharpness, edges, and color. If colors look off, make sure you exported with the correct color profile, use sRGB for web and convert to CMYK for print, then re-export. If the image appears pixelated, increase the PPI or export at larger dimensions and downscale in a raster editor for crisper results. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts or images went missing, reopen the AI, embed, and outline them, then repeat the export step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.